Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and network because updates fail without them. Plug in or reach 50% battery, then switch to a stable Wi-Fi. Turn off VPN and proxies so the update server can communicate. Once done, check storage and free 5 to 10 GB by offloading apps or clearing media. This prevents incomplete downloads. Next, open Settings General Software Update and tap Download. You'll see progress, and you'll know why each step mattered: power, network, and space. If download is paused, tap Resume or long press the update icon to reveal Resume. Sometimes a simple nudge restarts the process. If that fails, restart your iPhone. Soft reboot clears transient issues, and then retry the update because caches reset. When you still see stuck percentages, go to Settings General iPhone Storage, find the iOS update, delete it, and re-download. This fixes corrupted files. Make sure to remain on Wi-Fi and plugged in during the re-download to avoid fresh interruptions. Once the download finishes, tap Install and keep the device connected. The installer needs stable power and network to finalize. If installation repeatedly fails, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore. This bypasses on-device issues. If you must restore, back up first so you don't lose data. And if errors persist or you see hardware symptoms, contact Apple support or visit a store. They can run diagnostics and explain whether it's software versus hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.